Weigh and grind 62 grams of freshly roasted coffee on a medium setting. Fill the brewer's water reservoir to the desired amount. For this recipe, use 1 liter or about 34 ounces of water, noting that a cup on a drip brewer often equates to about 4 ounces. Place a filter in the brew basket, add freshly ground coffee to the filter, and give it a light shake to settle all grounds into an even bed. Initiate the brew cycle based on manufacturer's instructions. Once the brew cycle is finished, pour a cup and enjoy.